Ginaw ka, te?
Yeah.
Kinochi. Korean night. Noodles night. Me. Oh, very good ah.
It's cool.
Spicy ramen challenge.
Yeah.
Welcome to my vlog.
Ano na sa next date eh?
Share your noodles to Tita Alice and Tita Handen.
I think you need milk, guys. Ano na, aftermath. Kunin natin yung mga clothes sa dryer. Alamig intay. Nag-frost na yung mga dress. Wow! Oh, lamig. So cool. Today, meron tayong mini haul. Namili kami ng mga damit ko for the next days ni Ate Ang sa town. Sa Primark, sa New Life. New Life is parang charity store dito ng mga damit. So medyo madami to. Unahin muna natin yung binili namin sa New Life. Pajamas, like this. Pero ito, £1. Ang brand niya is River Island. Like your usual shirt. 99 din. More pajamas. Kasi hindi ako masyado nagdala ng mga pants. Kasi sabi nga ni Ate Ang, hindi na bumili kasi mas mura. So, shirt ulit kasi nga wala akong mga t-shirt. I don't think this is 6.99. I also got some pants. £2 lang. Diba? New Life. Buhay ka na. So, yung mga items na nabili ko sa New Life is £29.43 lang. So, ilan yung items na yun? Meron pa pala. Itong black pants. And then naman tayo sa Primark. Sa Primark are regular items, new items. So, by Primark. Ayan. So, I got size medium. Kasha naman siya sa akin. Kay Ate Ang kong brown. Kasi gusto daw niya yung brown. Napalahan to eh. This one's also £7. Ito akin to white. Kasi wala na akong mga pants na sinusuot dito. So, that's the mini haul. Kasi maglalaban na ako. So sure I want something. Are you cold? I want to be in my mouth. I want to be in my mouth. Are you cold? Okay. Say thank you.
Say thank you to Tita.
Welcome.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Hey guys, today is January 4. Naayos ako sa room ko. Magto-toast tayo. Cheese and toast.
Plus beans.
Morning, Marcos.
Good morning to the camera. It's a vlog.
Hi.
You wanna see yourself on a vlog?
So, hi guys. Yeah.
You wanna vlog? You come here. Show it to the vlog. I'm vlogging. Oh my hand. Hold my hand. Benta. Mia gave this to me. Thank you so much, Mia. Show them your Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Bye, Mia.
This is cinnamon roll. This is Pachaka. This is Melody. This is Girl.
Show them what they do. What they do?
Squeeze it.
You gonna squeeze it?
Naku, huwag masyadong seryoso. Just bounce the ball. 1, 2, 3.
Go.
That's
Catch.
it.
That's it. That's it.
It's snowing. Ay, kasi hindi ganun kalakas. Sana. Hindi ko ito. Sana. Wow. Hindi mo magagawa. Okay na yan. Bukas wala na to. Teka lang. Ooh. Ay, di dandap. Let's see. First snow with Ate Am. Yeah. Sit yarn. First snow! Oh, dang. Look. Snowing. Why are you here snowing? Hindi na nakatayo sa lamat yun. Hi guys! Wow! This is my first snow and lumalakas na yung snow. Hey guys! Today is January 5. It's a Sunday. Later, magbibigay kami nila Ate Michelle ng banana cake. So I just want to share with you my first snow experience here in UK. So last night, lumabas kami and nag-snow. Like, wow! Ako, tsaka yung cousin ko lumabas kami para mag-video and content. So nakita nyo nga yun from the last video. It's cold in here. Nag-0 degrees. My first day, I think, or second day, nasa 12 degrees pa. It's a nice experience to have here in UK. My first snow. One of the very first countries that I really want to go to since I was young. Impluensya to ni Princess Sarah. Fishball.
Manusas daw.
What are you gonna do? You want to film it? Film it like up. Then put it like that. Hingi. Hi guys! We're having sweet ball party tonight and banana cake. Mia will be baking also. Hi there! What are you gonna be baking today? Ano dyan? Naubos na English ko sa'yo, Mia. What are you gonna bake today?
Banana bread.
Banana bread. What color?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. That's so colorful. What's the toppings? What are you gonna put in?
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles. Wow.
We're
gonna we have vinegar here. And manong sauce. Salt, please, ma'am. Careful, please.
And food coloring.
Can you tell me what you're making?
Making banana cake.
what's your ingredient?
Banana. Flour. Cream.
And you mix it with?
Vinegar. Can I try?
You when it's full.
How did this get off? Oh, everything
You scoop the sugar.
Get some and then
got it.
you have it and then remove the excess.
Here. Here, I'm the first one.
Make 4. Count 4.
1.
Whoa, that's so full.
Wow! Ay, gaya ba yung mga? Hello, vlog.
Okay, we're done with brown sugar.
Ano?
Pisaya, oh.
Everything.
Is it easier?
The oil. The oil. Sulatan niya ng konti dito. Mas yung menu. Here.
Pakain ng calling mo na ka.
Baka nag-splash na sa face mo, ah.
Meron niya.
Mix it more here. You wanna eat first? I'll eat first.
Eat first.
Sabi?
Ini-stop niya yung pag-mix. Susubo mo na daw siya ng fishball. It's okay.
What is that, Mia?
Wow.
Careful. Can you do it?
It looks good. It's coloring.
What is it? It's sour cream. It's also hammer.
I'm gonna hold this for you. Oh, this first.
I want to mix it now.
After me.
No, Matthew, no. Let's do some. Mia, slice this in.
No, this is enough. This is enough. Okay.
Grab a review.
Oh, you should subscribe to my channel, Matthew.
I want to try. You.
Mia, who's that? Who's that, Mia? Pinapasi, diba? It's pink. Wow.
What would you rate your banana bread? 1 to 10. 10 is the highest.
Taste your banana bread.
Taste it.
Whoopsie. It's hot.
Good.
10. Wow. Hey guys, today baka mag-count kami ni Atang para bumili ng mga gamit ko. Kailangan ko na mag-shave na eyebrows kasi puro buhok na siya. Pinili ko ng razor sa Boots. 12 pieces is for 8 pounds. Ang dami nun. Good deal na rin kasi yung iba tatlo 8 pounds. Kailangan ko na mag-ahit talaga kaya ito na lang. Alin ba to? Wala ko. So malinis na yung kilay natin. Pwede na ulit tayo mag-kilay. Yung pitch is the same 1.95 concealer. Pablo's Latte. So may mga natira pa sa brush ko. So this is in the shade 03. This is free in the shade Hurt. Office yan? Mismo nung... We are here sa gala. Bumili lang tayo ng mga gamit sa bahay. Sa kwarto ko pala. Bin. Hey guys, we are now here at my room. Kailangan ko magsatal yung mga gamit ko ngayon dito. Siyempre, it's a mess kasi nga madami pa akong kailangan ayusin. Maglilinis dito. Ang dami ko pang ayusin ng mga damit. Specifically, gamit ko. Kasi yung iba nasa maleta pa talaga. Kasi tinanggal ko lang naman sa maleta yung mga kailangan ko lang gamitin. Yung iba na hindi ko naman nagagamit, so kailangan ko siyang ilagay dito sa cabinet ko or ayusin dito sa side table, ganyan, organizer. May mga binili na rin naman kami na necessities ko, like for example, food, mga hanger, may duvet na pala ako dito, tapos mga bedsheet cover. So mamaya daw papalitan yung mattress ko. Happy cleaning! So, current situation here. Hey guys, we're not yet done. So, need ko pa mag-ayos for today ng mga gamit na ilalagay ko sa cabinet ng mga damit ko. At tapos na tayo, hopefully.